Okay, today I'm going to show you how to connect the Quic Cloud CDN using a CNAME instead of using your DNS settings. Now, this is a CDN that's better than Cloudflare in my opinion when you're using LiteSpeed. But when you go to connect it, you can do it by changing the DNS settings here, and you can go over to CDN, setup, and just click this button to do it automatically, and it'll start to set it up using the CDN. We'll do a different video covering that. But how to do it with the CNAME, I found that it's a lot faster when you use the CNAME instead of changing the actual name servers. If you just update a CNAME record in your zone records in your cPanel account, you're able to do the same thing, and it seems to work a lot quicker. So in order to do that, what you got to do first is go to the General tab over here, though, inside Settings on your normal WordPress settings, and go to General and update the WordPress address and the site address to include www if they're not there already, and then push Save Changes. You might have to re-log in at this point, so go ahead and do that. And then once you're logged back in, go on the left hand side here and go to General and refresh domain key. If you've already done this, you needed to first do the thing I just said, go to the normal settings and update it to www. And then you need to come over here and do the domain key thing, because this is going to include the www when it pushes it to Quic Cloud, which is what Quic Cloud tells you to do, and it's preferred for their services. So refresh domain key. It's going to be approved in a moment, but first I want to go to the CDN and make sure that this is still turned off, which it is. Make sure that this is still off for now and that you have not clicked this. If you've already clicked this, you have to first delete the data. Hit the red button over here that deletes the data and resets everything. Make sure that the first step we talked about is completed, and then submit your request for your domain approval. And so I'm going to go ahead and refresh this when it's accepted. It should be accepted here in just a second. And in the meantime, I'm going to open up my Quic Cloud dashboard. You should have an account with Quic Cloud by now. And when you're here, you're going to look for your domain name. So here we have youtube.foco web design. I'm going to click on this, and you can see that the CDN is disabled. I'm going to click here and just get ready to enable it, but not quite yet. First we need to finish this request, so I'm going to refresh this. Okay, there it is. It's been approved. I'm going to go back to the dashboard now, just start that process over. Scrolling down, clicking here. CDN's disabled, but once we enable it from the dashboard, we'll be able to click it here. So now we can go to the CDN over here on the dashboard, and, or I'm sorry, don't go there. Go to General, or no, yeah, go there. Go to the CDN, and then go to CDN settings, and just make sure that this is turned on, and then push Save Settings, or Save Changes. Now go back to your Quic Cloud, refresh this page, and click on Enable CDN. Here's the most important part. You're going to want to click on I want to use CNAME. Make sure it says I want to use CNAME, not the DNS one, and then confirm your choice. Inside the Advanced section, LiteSpeed Web Cache Manager, scroll down, WordPress Cache, go in here to where it says the one you're looking for, YouTube. And upload SSL certificate to Quic Cloud. That's going to upload the certificate manually, which speeds up the process here for connecting everything. Provided you did everything else correctly, this should work, and you'll get a successful message here. Go back here, says it's missing, refresh, valid. That's going to speed up the verification process sometimes. I'm going to go here and flush everything, and then go back to the dashboard as well and flush everything. Okay. I'm going to turn automatically upgrade on as well. I recommend you do the same. And now the server IP, this will speed up stuff too. I should have done this. You can enter your, if you know your IP address of your server, you can go ahead and enter that as well. And I'm going to flush it again, purge once more. And now going back here, if I hit refresh, everything is perfect, as you can see. So that is how you connect it using a CNAME instead of the DNS, instead of changing it to the name server, a Quic Cloud name server, which in my experience just isn't as fast as when you use the CNAME method, even though apparently the opposite should be true. So that's about it. If this helped you, like, thumb up, all that stuff. I really think that Quic Cloud LiteSpeed, Elementor, WordPress, and the Astra theme to go along with it all is just the perfect combination for everybody who's trying to get into the web development field. And so this setup here is crucial to being able to speed up your loading time if you're trying to build websites, if you're trying to just build your own website. This is so valuable. People charge so much money for this stuff. So I really hope this helped. Thank you. Take care. Be well. And have a good rest of your day.